Hi, this is Bipolar Scrapbooking. I thought I'd give you an idea I had. I have to have gluten-free and dairy-free products. It's the only thing I could eat. So I found this product. It's called Snickerdoodle Cookies, and it's called Enjoy Life. Okay, and these are really good. It says gluten-free. And when you put it to this side, which side is it? This side. It contains no wheat, dairy, peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, soy, fish, shellfish. Also made without casein, peanut, potato, sesame, and sulfates. Okay? And the reason why I'm telling you about this is because I was trying to find something else that I could probably really play with my kids. And that peanut butter Play-Doh, it doesn't do too well in my stomach. So this is how they look. Okay? Now, they're really, really soft. And if you squeeze them, it's like Play-Doh. And it's soft. Okay? And you can, well, I have a very slippery, well, you can mash it up. Okay? And it feels like a Play-Doh consistency, really. It feels a little oily. And it tastes like cinnamon. It really tastes good. So, this is awesome. I don't know if you could read. Sorghum flour, brown pure cane sugar, date paste, expeller, processed vegetable oil, safflower oil. Oh, did you see that? And our sunflower, let me read that. Sunflower oil, juice concentrate, grape, apple, pear, natural rice dextrin, ground flaxseed, baking soda, xanthan gum, salt, vanilla, cinnamon, and rosemary extract. So, this is awesome. Tastes great. And fun to play with. Fun, fun, fun. You can roll it, but here it's too slippery, so I can't roll it here. Probably turn it into a little square here, though. Let's turn it into a semi-plane. Can you tell I like to play with my food a lot? Maybe. Alright guys, Bipolar Scrapbooking. Something fun to do.